আমি কি আমাকে কথায় আনাচ কানাচ
Hey all, happy Ashtami to all of you. It's basically the second day of Durga Puja, so and probably the 8th day of Navratri, I guess. And yeah, happy Navratri and happy Durga Puja to you all. And we are going out just to see if we can have a look at any of Durga's murti, basically Durga Darshan. If possible, let's see. It just feels so incomplete without the darshan, so maybe just far darshan this year because of the pandemic situation. And yeah, all decked up in my ethnic wear. And yeah, let's go. I'll just show you what I wore in a second. Okay, so this is what I wore. It's a chicken curry kurta with pants. So this is a gift from my dad for this year Durga Puja. It's a typical Bong thing to get new clothes during Puja. So here I go. And this is what my makeup looks like. Just a very simple makeup with a bindi, lipstick and earrings, and also finger ring.
যাও পাখি বলো হাওয়া ছলো ছলো আব ছায়া জানালার কাছ আমি কি আমাকে হারিয়েছি বাকি রূপ কথায় আনাচ কানাচ
Do hi on the camera. Turn around.
বেঙ্গালুর ভারতীয় সিটিতে পুজো দেখছি, খুব ভালো লাগছে, অনেক বাঙালিদের দেখছি। আর ভাবছিলাম যে ব্যাঙ্গালুরু এসে কী করে এনজয় করবো। এনজয়িং মাচ। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ বেঙ্গালুর, অ্যান্ড অলসো দিয়া। থ্যাংক ইউ।
আমাদের ব্যাঙ্গালোরে এসে মনটা খারাপ ছিল, ভেবেছিলাম অঞ্জলি দিতে পারবো না, কিন্তু দিতে পারবো কালকে একবার। আজকে একটু দেরি হয়ে গেছে আসতে, যাই হোক ভালোই লাগছে এখানে এসে।
আমাকে দেখিয়ে দিন। Let's put it in front.
জলে জোনাকি জলে হারিয়েছি গান শোনাকি জানালায় গল্পেরা কথা মে যাও মে চোখে রেখো যাবে যাও পাখি বলো হাওয়া ছলো ছলো আব ছায়া জানালার কাছ আমি কি আমাকে কথায় আনাচ কানাচ
It's too crowded here in the, where is this, Manfo. It's too crowded here in Manfo Convention Center in Manyata Tech Park. Look at the queue. I think we're just going to skip it. We'll leave now.
আমি কি আমাকে
Here the queue ends. Oh my god. No point. So unsafe. Very, very unsafe to be here. Let's go and eat something.
যাও পাখি বলো হাওয়া চলো চলো আব ছায়া জানালার কাছে
ও দেখছে না তো, ও দেখতে চায়।
He was my grandfather.
What is
his name? I call him Ba.
Hi.
I call him Bob.
And who is sitting next to Bob?
And that's my uncle Momo.
Momo? Is his name Momo?
I call him Momo. Actually.
Who else is there?
And Ma. That's my grandmother.
I'm a grandma.
And Mama. She's my mother. And there's Papa.
So we are at this restaurant for some Bengali food because we could see only one Durga Puja, right?
A Bangla restaurant.
A Bangla restaurant for some Bangla food, and we'll have some food and then maybe head home and then come out in the evening once again. That's the plan. See you guys.
আমি কি আমাকে হারিয়েছি বাকি রূপ কথায় আনাচ কানাচ
Happy now? How happy are you?
যাও পাখি বলো হাওয়া চলো চলো আব ছায়া জানালার কাছে আমি কি আমাকে হারিয়েছি বাকি কথায় আনাচ কানাচ
Waiting for the food to come, and we are all getting impatient because we're quite hungry. It's almost 3 o'clock right now. Yeah, hunger. By the way, I was wearing those big earrings in the morning, and what happened in the car was the neck of the earring, which is that rubber kind of thing which holds the earring. I dropped it somewhere in the car, and now I'm without earrings. That day.
আঙুলের কোলে জলে জোনাকি জলে হারিয়েছি গান শোনাকি জানালায় গল্পেরা কথা মেঘ যাও মেঘ চোখে রেখো আবে যাও পাখি বলো হাওয়া চলো চলো আব ছায়া জানালার কাছে
We are just done with our lunch. So it wasn't a good lunch. Somehow we are having a very bad experiences with Bengali food all over Bangalore. I think except for Bhojori Manna, there is no good food. I mean, no good Bengali food, according to me. If you have any other options or suggestions, please leave it down in the comments below. The food in this one was pathetic. No? Like, I didn't have worse Bengali food in Bangalore
Yeah,
ever.
this was the worst. so far.
Yeah. Anyway, so we are heading home now, and we'll catch you guys soon. Maybe today or tomorrow. Let's see. Let's go. Bye bye.
যাও পাখি বলো হাওয়া চলো চলো আব ছায়া জানালার কাছে আমি কি আমাকে হারিয়েছি বাকি কথায় আনাচ কানাচ
Hey guys, good morning. It's 8 o'clock in the morning and it's the 9th day of Navratri, which is the Navami. So we're going to offer Pushpanjali. So we'll see where we get it. We found a place close by our society. So we'll probably go there, offer the Pushpanjali and then see what to do. We didn't have we didn't have anything yet. We just got up, took bath. We'll give the Pushpanjali and then have food. That's how it is. Okay, so come along. Let's see how much I can take clips and let's go.
যাও পাখি বলো হাওয়া চলো চলো আব ছায়া জানালার কাছ কথায় নাচ কানাচ আঙুলের কোলে জলে জোনাকি জলে হারিয়েছি গান শোনাকি জানালায় গল্পেরা কথা মেয়ে যাও মেয়ে চোখে রেখো হবে
वेज मैगी कर दो एक
अच्छा वेजिटेबल्स रहेगा ठीक है
एक उपमा।
दे दीजिए
আমি কি আমাকে চলো আব ছায়া জানালার কাছ আমি কি আমাকে হারিয়েছি বাকি কথায় নাচ
Hey guys, we are just done with the Pushpanjali. So now here we came for some breakfast and
It's quite noisy.
yeah, it's quite noisy and I hope you can hear me. And yeah, we'll see what we'll do after this. Let's go and have some breakfast.
যাও পাখি বলো হাওয়া চলো চলো আব ছায়া জানালার কাছ আমি কি আমাকে হারিয়েছি বাকি কথায় নাচ কানাচ আঙুলের কোলে জলে জোনাকি জলে হারিয়েছি গান শোনাকি জানালায় গল্পেরা কথা মেয়ে যাও মেয়ে চোখে রেখো হবে যাও পাখি বলো হাওয়া চলো
Hey y'all, so we are going home for a bit. We'll change Kaya because she's in her ethnic clothes and very uncomfortable. And like my parents and my brother are having breakfast at a place. So we just had ours, we finished and we are heading home. We'll just change her up and we'll probably go to Orion Mall. Let's see, because for us, for me, Kaya and for my mom, the new clothes for Durga Puja has been done. So it's just a tradition to buy new clothes during pujas. So for Parth, my father and my brother, it's still left, so we'll get that. And though it's almost the end of Durga Puja, it's the Navami, nevertheless we'll still buy and maintain our traditions. So yeah, we'll see you there and let's go. Let me just quickly show you what I'm wearing, because when I was going out for the Anjali it was quite late, so we couldn't show you. So I'll just show you quickly what I'm wearing. So it's a mint color kurta with this pants called cigarette pants or straight pants, yeah, and some earrings with a little bit of makeup and bindi. I'm also wearing a finger ring to match with the earring. Yeah, that's the look for today. Here is my OOTD. Let's go.
আঙুলের কোলে জলে জোনাকি শোনাকে জলে হারিয়েছি গান শোনাকে জানালায় গল্পেরা কথা মেঘ যাও মেঘ চোখে রেখো আবে যাও পাখি বলো হাওয়া চলো চলো আব ছায়া জানালার কাছে আমি কি আমাকে হারিয়েছি বাকে কথায় আনাজ কানা যাও পাখি বলো হাওয়া চলো চলো আব ছায়া জানালার কাছে আমি কি আমাকে হারিয়েছি বাকি কথায় আনাচ কানাচ
ভালো আছে বল নাইস
Yes.
ইউ লাইক ইট
Oh, yes.
চলো
This is gift from my daughter.
what did you choose nice I like the color this is made of spray bottles what do you say it's a ostrich see spray ostrich
Don't touch it, no?
so they're taking pictures picture time hey guys so we're just back home it's been a while and from the mall from the VR mall we went to Empire restaurant to eat like to have our lunch and I didn't shoot any of it because I was so tired and we all were hungry so I just forgot to shoot so I'll just show you what we got like my brother and my dad got some things like a few clothes for them and Parth got a shirt and I got a t-shirt so this one so it says Los Angeles and it's a plain solid tee I'm very fond of this kind of solid tees I think you have already seen me wearing a lot of them in my videos so and Parth got this rust color corduroy shirt so Kaya got a sweatshirt dress
For Halloween.
so basically she has a virtual Halloween celebration on the 31st of October from her school
At online school.
yeah. She also needs a witch's hat which we need to get so she wants to be a black witch's cat for Halloween I think yeah that's it so we got another I just got this thing
Catty hairband.
catty hairbands for her like it's a set of two it's like basically metallic color hairbands yeah.
Pink and green is blue.
Okay so that's all for this video I guess and I'll catch you up
Want to
tomorrow
see your dad?
and I'll catch you guys tomorrow maybe or whenever I'm able to vlog next so I hope you liked this and I'll be vlogging more realistic vlog in the future let's see what I'm able to shoot yeah so hope you like it and thanks for watching today's one stay tuned bye bye
জানালায় গল্পেরা কথা মেঘ যাও মেঘ চোখে রেখো আবে